Hello and welcome back, scholars. Our learning targets are: I can solve addition and subtraction problems within 20 using mental strategies. And I can write an equation with an unknown to make sense of two-step word problems. Here's the problem. Mr. Castro bought 18 sunflower plants. He planted 9 at his sister's house and gave 4 away to his neighbor. How many sunflower plants does he have left? All right, so let's look for the keywords and key numbers. So we see that we have 18 sunflower plants. That is the total number. And then he planted 9 at his sister's house and gave 4 away. So we're dealing with 3 different numbers in this case. And then keywords. All right, so he bought those plants and he planted them at his sister's house, planted at sister's house. So that is our understanding. We can infer that if he planted the flowers at his sister's house, that he no longer has access to those plants. They are now belonging to his sister. So he has given them away. He has taken them away from what he had. And he also gave away 4 to his neighbor. So those are 9 and 4 that he no longer has out of that total of 18. Okay? Again, we're focusing on how many does he have left, how many are remaining. All right, so we know there's going to be some subtraction involved. So we have 18 minus, he planted 9 at his sister's house and he planted 9 at his neighbor's house. Now, normally we're not going to have an equation that looks like this, so we're going to change it up a little bit. But let's just look at these numbers. So we know 18 is the total. This is the whole. This is the difference in subtraction, or the sum in addition. All right, so we know he gave 9 to his sister. Instead of putting the number here, we only want one number here. We're going to say 9 to his sister and 4 to his neighbor. So this time we're going to say, we're going to add these together, 9 plus 4, because that is the total number that he gave away. So when we think about 9 plus 4, we know 9 plus 4 is the same thing. If we're making a 10, we know we need to add 1 more to make a 10. Let's put this up a little bit higher. So we need to add 1 more to 9 to make a 10. So let's just go ahead and make it a 10. If we add 1 more here, we're going to take one of these away. So now we no longer have 4, we have 3. So 9 plus 4 is the same thing as 10 plus 3, which is 13. So we can say, let's make that 3 a little bit better. We can say that 9 plus 4 is 13. So here's the number right here. So instead of 18 minus 9 minus 4, we're going to say 18 minus 13 equals. Now we can do a little more mental math. We have to think about 13 plus what equals 18. Here's the unknown right here. So 13, how many do I need to add to get to 18? We're leaving the 10s alone. We just have to think about 3 plus how many more equals 8. Right, that's correct. And that's 5 more. So the unknown is 5. So how many sunflower plants does he have left? He has 5 sunflower plants left. And we can go ahead and put the 5 right here and maybe change the color so we know and we'll be reminded that this is the number that was originally the unknown. So 18 minus 13 equals 5. He has 5 sunflower plants left. We look forward to you writing an equation with an unknown to make sense of a two-step word problem and solving addition problems within 20 using mental strategies.